Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT SX and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration and then tap on it, of course. And here look for the option called vibrations, and once you find it, tap on it. Right here we have the vibration option selected, and now we can choose from three versions or intensity levels of vibration. The off one basically turns off the vibrations, so your watch won't vibrate. Then we have soft and strong. Select the one you like, tap on OK, and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.